Everything that is explained in this video is summarized from CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to support my channel for more XRP updates and some other cryptocurrencies as a whole. Now take a look at this. Bill Morgan officially clarifies the court ruling on XRP sales. Does a security for XRP? There has been an unexpected development in the legal struggle that Ripple is engaged in with the SEC. Bill Morgan, a well-known attorney and crypto enthusiast, has entered the fray, which has sparked a heated argument on Twitter. There has been a significant misunderstanding, according to Morgan's argument. Nevertheless, what exactly is it? If you want to discover more about Morgan's views and how they might affect the overall cryptocurrency market, you should delve deeper. In response to Stark's assertions, when Morgan learned about the allegation made by John Reed Stark, a former director of the Securities and Exchange Commission, the conversation gained momentum. Stark contended that the judge who was in charge of the Coinbase case had a fundamental disagreement with Judge Torres's decision, which suggested that secondary transactions of XRP could be considered investment contracts or unregistered securities. I had known that argument would come up. Yes, I do recognize that it is a valid point to a considerable extent. I respectfully disagree. A statement made by Judge Torres indicated that the matter of secondary sales was not properly before the court. In a short amount of time, Morgan dismissed Stark's assertion, stating that it was incorrect. He underlined that Torres had not made any such disclosure regarding the sales of XRP on the secondary market, which prompted him to query the foundation for Fela's disagreement. A legal expert named Mark Fagel questioned Morgan's position, which caused the debate to get more heated. Fagel stated his doubt over the possibility of token sales through exchanges being able to meet the stringent Howey threshold set by Tories. Morgan was unfazed by Fagel's criticism and respectfully disagreed with it. He explained that Torres' analysis mostly concentrated on Ripple's programmatic sales, which is a subset that was specified by the SEC. Torres' discernment was emphasized by him, and he brought attention to her determination that these programmatic sales did not meet the criteria essential for investment contract. Morgan went on to clarify that Torres accepted Ripple's targeted promotion of XRP to institutional investors, but that he did not find any substantial evidence of widespread dispersion. He noted that such detailed findings cannot be generalized to other cryptocurrencies without discrimination, using Solana as an example to illustrate his point, the Howey test. Is it more complicated than it appears? Morgan contested the idea that Torres' decision regarding programmatic XRP sales inherently excludes all secondary market cryptocurrency sales from being considered an investment contract. It was underlined by him that the test was fact-specific, and he confirmed that the findings of Torres do not always rule out the possibility in every circumstance. Morgan came to the opinion that Torres' findings were founded on material that was not in dispute, which reduced the possibility that the SEC would be successful in its appeal. Given Torres' exhaustive analysis, the SEC's chances of successfully appealing the decision look to be extremely low according to his expert view. A decision that was made in July 2023 that was considered to be a landmark in the realm of cryptocurrencies classified XRP as a non-security in secondary market dealings. Recent events, on the other hand, have cast doubt on this decision, which has given rise to questions regarding the regulatory position of XRP. Ripple and its investors are already on edge as a result of the fact that federal judges are currently reevaluating the applicability of fundamental legal norms. Undoubtedly, it is just as serious as it appears to be. This is a more in-depth look. Reevaluating the current situation, a remarkable turn of events has occurred in which two federal courts have expressed skepticism over the legitimacy of designating XRP as a non-security. One of the most important aspects of securities law, the Howey test, is currently being examined, which raises the possibility that XRP might be classified as an unregistered security. The interpretation of the Howey test that Judge Analisa Torres has provided has been called into question by Charles Gasparino, a notable journalist and expert on XRP. This has led to the possibility that Judge Torres' decision could be overturned. To remind those in the XRP community, two federal judges, including the one who is considered to be the dean of a corporate law court, Rockoff, have scoffed at arguments that utilize Judge Torres' opinion on Ripple as a precedent. This is because the ruling itself is so illogical. No one can ensure that. The use of the Howey test, which is essential for assessing whether or not an asset is a security, is currently being scrutinized by federal judges in their investigation of Ripple. If this legal standard is declared invalid XRP may be subject to reclassification, which would be problematic for Ripple as well as its stakeholders. XRP backer Bill Morgan continues to maintain his skepticism, even though Gasparino has raised the alarm. The assertions made by Gasparino are called into question by Morgan, who demands tangible evidence of judicial skepticism. Even though there are various regulatory obstacles, these large holders of XRP, often known as whales in the industry, are amassing XRP, which is an indication of confidence in the future price swings of the cryptocurrency. However, the price of XRP has been stuck in a range for more than a year, which has put the patience of investors to the test. Forecast of the market and analysis of prices. Technically speaking, the price of XRP is now hovering above the important 60 cents line, and positive signs are indicating that a potential recovery may be on the horizon. Even though it is dependent on the conditions of the market as a whole, analysts anticipate a recovery towards the year-to-date peak of 7,440 cents. On the other hand, there is a significant opportunity for downside risks, which include the possibility of price drops below critical support levels. This reflects the market's susceptibility to legal concerns. The route forward for XRP is still laden with difficulties, even though stakeholders continue to hold out hope for a price rebound. David Schwartz, the chief technology officer of Ripple, responded to a proposal that advocated for Ripple to donate the majority of the tokens that are currently held in escrow to the XRP Ledger Foundation, XRP Ledger, for the use of the XRP community. Panos Mekris, co-founder of Inodos Finance, is the one who came up with the idea. He thinks the XRP coins that are tied up in Ripple's escrow would be more useful with XRPL. To be more specific, Mekris proposed that Ripple donate XRPL so that the team could administer it and distribute the tokens among a variety of projects, including grants, marketing, educational campaigns, and other endeavors to improve the XRP ecosystem. Further, there has been an unexpected development in the legal struggle that Ripple is engaged in with the SEC. Is it more complicated than it appears? Morgan contested the idea that Torres's decision regarding programmatic XRP sales inherently excludes all secondary market cryptocurrency sales from being considered investment contracts. Even though there are various regulatory obstacles, these large holders of XRP, often known as whales in the industry, are amassing XRP, which is an indication of confidence in the future price swings of the cryptocurrency. The route forward for XRP is still laden with difficulties, even though stakeholders continue to hold out hope for a price rebound. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.